Hello everyone, I'm back with another sort of destructive video. So this time for this video I will be cutting off this Moxie girl. I will be cutting her hair off and preparing her for a reroot because I mean, I could easily flat iron her hair and stuff like that, but it's too short now. Like, it's not even good quality hair anymore, and besides that, she has a massive scalp split along her part line. You'll see in a minute, but yeah, it's time that she loses this hair and receives some new hair. So here we go. No turning back now. Oh my gosh, this hair is really hard to cut. I'm doing this all off camera. Well, there we go. There's her ponytail. And there is her hair freshly cut off. So I'm going to turn this thing around. I'm actually going to be cutting her hair off into here in this container. And I'll throw all her hair away. Yeah, this was the Sophina doll that came wearing this outfit. Yeah. So my Jamma's Lexa is actually wearing that outfit right now. So, but my Sophina doll will inherit the outfit once again. Oops. Once she has been restored. This doll is also missing some hair plugs too, so just bleh. And I haven't actually fully rerooted a Moxie girl ever, so because their heads are so hard, but I'm gonna try. I'm just kind of impatient when it comes to rerooting dolls. I want it to be over with really fast. So if a doll doesn't get done within a timely manner, then I kind of slack off, and then I still got dolls from 2009, I believe, that I started rerooting and never finished. They've just been sitting there with part of their hairline rooted, and that's it. That's as far as I got. Oh, she still had some tabs in her head. Okay, so now's the big reveal. So you see her part line. To be done. Finish cutting her hair off. And I guess I will, oh, whoops. It's also hard cutting Moxie girl hair because their nylon hair is so stiff, so it wants to stay flat to their head. So it's kind of hard to get at a good angle where you can cut it as short as possible. This one does not have that many hair plugs. I actually have another one like that. It's the second wave basic Lexa doll, which I have right here, which I've already removed her hair. So this is second wave basic Lexa. She was the one that came in the jean dress. Here we go. She's the one that came in that dress. So yeah, she has already had her hair removed. So here we go. There is her with her hair completely cut off. She's one of my favorite Sophinas. She has a very fresh look to her, so I'm very eager to save her. Not only that, I just love the Moxie Girlz. I know some of you are going to kill me, but I love them a lot more than Bratz, actually. I mean, I love Bratz, don't get me wrong. It's taken me a while to love Bratz all the way, like, I would collect a few here and there, and I got to, like, to where I had maybe 5 Bratz, and I was like, okay, that's enough. And then my friend Katie gave me all her childhood ones, and then it just took off from there. So I suppose I will come back when her hair is completely removed from her scalp. Okay, well, it took me a while, but enormous hand cramps later. But I finally got all her hair out. So there we have that, and she had some sort of glue on the inside of her head. If you can see all that white stuff right there, it was making it, there was actually some hair plugs that I couldn't get out because of how glued it was. So you can see there's some in this area I couldn't get out, but I'll like take a lighter and melt those down and smooth them out. But yeah, it was a lot worse than I thought. So yeah, I don't even know if this is, I'm going to try to glue her together, but this entire thing, that's a giant split. This over here, that's a giant split. And this right here, all of those hair plugs have split. So what I'm going to have to try to do is either create her an entirely new hairline and a new part line after gluing all this together. I just do not know. She also has a neck split, if you can see right there on the inside of the rim. So I don't know. This doll right here, my Lexa one, she was a lot easier, but her head is much harder. I don't even think she had any glue in her head because obviously I was able to get all her hair out. But oh my god. This is one thing about MGA dolls that I don't like, is I actually have a Bratz Cat's Jade that has a similar problem. Like this whole part of her scalp over here, like on her hairline, is split open, and then there's a part over here that's split open on her. So yeah. And then my very first Moxie Girl actually does have a split too. So the material that MGA makes the doll heads out of is very prone to doing this. So that is one thing I don't like about MGA is this whole thing right here. I mean, that's ridiculous. So anyhow, let's see if I can put her back on her body. Well, there we go. She's back on her body. But at least her hair is removed and I can try to do my best to restore her, because she has a really, 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 really nice face. So anyhow, that's my sort of destructive little video of me trying to restore this doll, taking all her original hair out, her original stiff, gross hair, and I'm going to reroute her. I'm going to try to reroute her. I'm not sure how, but I'm going to try. If not, I will just probably have to glue her head all together and she can wear wigs. Maybe I can make her a wig. I don't know. I've never made a doll wig before, but we'll see what happens. So anyhow, thank you guys for watching. More videos to come. And remember to stay true to you.